Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching and joining me for today's video. I am not going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I know, crazy, right? I'm going to be doing a current faves and nays video. I haven't done one in a while and I've been meaning to share these products with you for quite some time. So I figured today would be the perfect day. And it's not just gonna be makeup. I have some random items that I've been wanting to share. I haven't vlogged in a while or else I would put it in my vlog, you know what I mean? But I don't know, I just wanna switch it up. I know, I just don't wanna be all makeup, you know? I wanna switch it up. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Hope you're excited about it. I'm gonna start off with a non-makeup-y product, I guess. You know, not really a product. So if you guys haven't noticed or if you haven't watched my vlogs, I am currently into plants. Like it's an obsession, but I've calmed down a lot. Like I used to go to Home Depot every single weekend and I would spend like $40 to $60 on plants, on pots, on soil. And I've gotten to a point where I literally don't have any more room for plants. So I'm like, okay, I'm capped out. I'm gonna be happy with the plants that I have, and I'm super, super happy. But I wanted to share with you my favorite plant right now. It is a neon pothos. So pretty. This is the one that I have, and I buy all my pots at Home Depot. They're all terracotta, but I paint them black. And because of the minerals from the soil, they actually come out. So that's why the pot is white. I paint over it every now and then, but you'll have white even if you don't paint your pots white, if it's just a regular terracotta pot. Terracotta is permeable or porous, so all the minerals come out like this, and that's why it shows up white. But anyway, that's just my style. I like to paint all my pots black. But I love this neon pothos so much. I actually propagated these. These are from my coworker's plant. I cut them off. I asked for her permission. Cut them off. I placed them in water for quite a long time, and then I just potted this. And I have another little propagation, a little neon pothos propagating over there that I'm going to put in here. But this is what it looks like. I just love the green color. I have a marble queen pothos. Oh, you can't even see it. It's in the moon. I have one of those and I love it. I have a golden pothos. I just love all pothos. It's so common. I know it's a common plant, but they're just so pretty to me. But the color, I just like, look at it. It's so pretty. So this is my favorite plant right now. I'm obsessed. I keep this one. This used to be in my room, but now I have it in the living room. I switch up my plants all the time. I don't want my house to look messy, like full of plants. I like them, like I decorate my house with plants, and I feel like it looks cute. It doesn't look too much, you know what I mean? So that's just my favorite plant. I know you guys are super bored if you didn't click out of this video yet, but still on the plant subject, I bought this phone case from Amazon, of course, and I love it. They're little Monstera leaves, and I don't know what the gold leaves are, but I thought this was super pretty, and it's appropriate for me right now since I'm obsessed with plants. And then I had to buy this laptop case also from Amazon, and I'll link it all below for my laptop. Look how pretty it is. All like Monstera leaves and whatever, palms, I don't even know. But I thought it was super cute. Moving along, I don't have any more planty things to discuss, right? I do want to say though, in all of my videos, I put 2 Instagrams, like in the corner, I put my AllThatFresh, which is all my makeup stuff, and then I put KCab the Boss, which is my personal account. I show my plants, it's just like my everyday life. So if you guys are interested, you can follow me on there. But if you want more planty related things, KCab the Boss is where you should go. Moving along to some skincare related items. I have never gotten a facial before, ever. And my face was going through something like a month ago. It was so bad, guys. I was so dry. I had acne all over my chin, and I usually get chin acne. I just feel like I have some hormone thing happening where I just always break out on my chin. But I also had zits on my cheeks. It was horrible. My lips were like so dry. I don't know what my face was going through, but it was going through something. So I told myself, I was like, you know what? I've never had a facial. I want to go get a facial done. Even if it's just one time, like I want to be able to say, look, I've had a facial. I liked it. I didn't like it, whatever. So I was trying to look at places to go get a facial, and they are very expensive. And I was doing research because I wanted to go to a good place, but honestly, the timing just wasn't right. Like a facial is so expensive. It was Christmas time. I was buying gifts, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna get a facial done right now. I'm gonna Google at-home facial routines, blah, 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 blah. So that's exactly what I did. I Googled how to do a facial at home, and I pretty much had all the products. So I was like, why not? I'm gonna do my own facial. I'm not gonna go through every single step when I do a facial at home, but I'm gonna show you the 2 items that I think really help my skin out. I bought this steamer, this face steamer, like forever ago on Amazon, and I will link it down below. I'll link all my Amazon stuff down below. This is the best little facial steamer thing ever. So freaking good. You just fill it up with water here in the back, if I can get it. And then you turn it on. It only takes like 30 seconds for steam to start, you know, coming out. And then you just stick your face there. It feels so good. And you steam your face until there isn't any water left. Obviously, it will stop steaming. Face feels so good. Once you're done steaming your face, which opens up your pores, I use a clay mask, and that's when I looked it up, everybody said after you steam your face, you need to do a clay mask. So I bought this one at Walgreens. I've heard people talk about it before, like a long time ago, and the only clay mask that I had was the Indian Healing clay mask, which I like. It's good. It's just like an extra step. Like I have to measure out the clay and then bring it and get apple cider vinegar, pour it in, mix it. You know, it's just one extra step, and I know it's not that big of a deal, but I'm lazy. So I bought this mask. It's the Walgreens Nourish Facial Mask with oatmeal and avocado oil. Guys, this mask, you can feel it just working into your skin. You feel your skin just pumping. Once it's all dry and tight, I wash it off, and then I go ahead with a serum and then a moisturizer. But honestly, this clay mask not only really helped my acne on my chin, like the big cystic acne, it also helped with like the little bumps. Like I still have, don't get me wrong, my skin isn't perfect. I still have little bumps like here, but guys, I used to have like a ton of bumps, and this clay mask has helped me so much. Like I'm probably gonna do a facial tonight. I haven't done one in a while. I'll do one tonight, and I just feel like my skin is just rejuvenated. So honestly, these 2 products, for this clay mask, if you have the little bumps, I would try this out, and hopefully it works for you. It worked for me. I'm so thankful. The steamer, everybody should have a facial steamer. This is called the facial steamer, right? I don't even know. But this is amazing. Oh my God, I love it so much. It saved my skin. Okay, so my 2 makeup products. First thing is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Ooh, I almost totally screwed that up. But I have been using this for several months now. I mentioned it in a vlog, and you could see how long my lashes were in that vlog. Like right now, my lashes don't look as good because this is a bit of an older tube, but I'm still telling you, my lashes still look really good. But this is a beautiful mascara. It gets my lashes so long that after I use setting spray on my face, sometimes I'll find little black dots right underneath my eyebrow because my lashes literally hit right underneath my eyebrow. And it's only after I use setting spray because obviously my face is wet. Throughout the day, sometimes because it hits, I'll see a little black thing, but you don't really notice it because it's right underneath your eyebrow and it kind of blends in, but it's really not that big of a deal. My lashes look gorgeous. They look so long. They do give a good amount of volume. It's more of a lengthening mascara in my opinion, but it does give a good amount of volume, which I really like. This is overall a beautiful mascara, guys. I love it so much. It's the perfect, like the bristles aren't super long or super thick. It's the perfect amount. I have very small eyes, so I do end up getting mascara on my lids, but not bad. It's nothing to complain about, honestly. And this is such a cheap mascara. It's like, I don't know, $5, $6? I'm not sure, but it's super cheap. Love it. If you guys are in the, even if you're not looking for a new mascara and you want just a ton of length, try this one out. You won't be disappointed. And then the last product that I have for this current Faves and Nays video is this highlighter palette. It's the RachhLoves Pixi The Layers Highlighting Palette Glow On. I don't know, that's just what it says on the back. But Pixi actually sent this to me. They're one of the only brands that sends me things, and I'm super thankful, and I really, really appreciate it. So, I don't know, that's just me shouting out Pixi. I really do appreciate it, but that doesn't mean anything. Like this palette, this highlighting palette is gorgeous. The highlighter that I have on today is this one right here, Clutch. This is what I use pretty much every day for work. This is giving the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter a run for its money. Like, I love this highlighter so much. I hate my foundation right now, so it's kind of hard because I feel like I don't know, but this highlighter is the best. I love it. So I usually use Clutch, which is this color right here. Oh my God, so pretty. It's like blinding, but you can go subtle with it. Oh my God, do you guys see my, oh God, that's horrible. Whoopsie. For tanner skin, you can use tea. I don't really use it that much because it is just like one shade too dark for me. I can mix these two and I'm good, but by itself, it's just a little too dark. I am as pale as a ghost, so you guys can understand why. The only two shades that I don't use are Knit and Zipper. Knit is just like too dark for me. But can you imagine that on like chocolatey skin? Oh, gorgeous. And then the purple, I kind of could have done without the purple if I'm being honest. Like, I would have much rather them thrown in just another like regular highlighter color, but it's fun to be able to use the purple. I probably should have used it today to go with my look, but I just, honestly, this highlighter has such a nice consistency. It doesn't like accentuate my texture. It just looks so beautiful and it gives you that beaming highlight. But like I said, for work, you can use a little bit of it. Like, I'm piling this highlighter on. You can use a little bit of it and it just looks beautiful, like a subtle glow within. Oh my God, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. I love the consistency. I love everything about this palette. Honestly, even though I'm never gonna use, hold on. I almost forgot. This shade right here, Lace, this is what I use at night if I want to do like an extra glowing, beaming look, especially if we're going to be taking pictures. You will see my highlighter in every single picture, even if it's pitch black at night. You'll see my highlighter in this. You just like, I look beaming. It's just, people will ask me like, damn, what highlighter is that? It's so pretty. This is a little bit too much for work. I will say this will look like a little like, damn, that girl has highlighter on. This just has something a little extra to it. I just don't know what it is, but it's a little more crazy than Clutch and Tea. So even though this is a highlighter palette and some people will say, oh, well, it's not worth it for me, I'm only going to use 1 or 2 shades. For me, I use the 3 shades and I think it's worth it. I think this will be fun. Like, one day if I want to go a little crazy, I'll use it. I can use this as an eyeshadow. I can use any of these as eyeshadows. I think this is a really pretty palette. It's gorgeous. I never, ever, ever like ending on a bad note, but I completely forgot to mention my nay. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I've used this a couple times and I just can't get over how cakey it looks. Like, my face just looks really, really heavy and I didn't use a lot. Like, if I like plastered this on my face, I would be like, all right, it's my fault. But I didn't use that much, and guys, like, I don't like the way my nose looks. Like, it's super pory. My forehead looks super pory. My chin, oh God, like, I look super, super, super makeup-y, and I don't like that look. So this is my nay. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it, sorry. It's just too cakey and heavy for me, honestly, and it's not even like full coverage. I would say it's medium coverage. You can still see some of my zits and stuff peeking through. It's honestly, personally, it's not worth the money. Like, I don't know if I can return it. I really, really want to, because I might try it one more time just to give it one last shot, but really, I don't see myself using it ever again. It just looks like I got a mask on, guys, and I don't like that. So that's all that I have to share with you guys today. If you're more into like the planty stuff and the more lifestyle stuff, I do plan on vlogging a little bit more, where I clean the apartment, I take you along shopping with me and things like that. If that's what you guys like, then let me know down below. You know, I want to film videos that you guys like, but also film videos that I genuinely want to film, you know. So let me know down below. Check my KCAB the Boss Instagram for more planty things and just my personal stuff, and then AllThatFresh for makeup stuff. So I think that's all that I have to say. I really, really appreciate you guys watching. I can't thank you guys enough. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.